Well, hey there friends, it's Paul here once again. Welcome back to the channel. This is my little review of the Archetype Rabea X. I never talked about the Rabea plugin before because I didn't own it. And this one I own now because Neural DSP does some pretty good sales. I definitely recommend if you're looking into guitar plugins to go and check out their stuff. But around like the Black Friday sales and stuff, it's really nice. So anyway, I'm not really plugging for them. They don't pay me anything. They could. Don't need to. So here we go. This is one of my favorite plugins. It was I was turned on to it by my colleague Jeroen over at Archetype because he's like, oh dude, you gotta get the Rabea, man. And I really enjoy it. So this is the default sound. And frankly, it already sounds superlatively lovely. It looks like he made a million presets because he's a huge nerd, and I love that. As thick as you like, Fuzztown down. Lots of reverbs and delays, very encapsulating. I'm a huge fan. I'm really happy to see that Jack Gardner has been doing presets on basically every plugin. I'm very, very happy about this because he's got great ears and a great sensibility for leads and things like that. Really, really silky, really lovely. Let's see, what else do we have here? I like to just go through the presets so that I can really get a sense of a plugin. And right, Mark Lettieri is a really cool guitar player too. Well, this is really cool. I'm really glad that they've got Ryan's presets on here. Yeah, man, that's got a lot of vibe. And the fantastic thing about it that I really like, let's just switch the tubes. Like it's rich, this plugin. You are rich with tones. I mean, because Sophie Burrell, I don't really know her too much. I kind of dipped out of the guitar scene, you know. Tom Quayle, I know that name. Oh boy, Hunter's Dream. Ah, very cool. Super vibey, man. That's it. That's the plugin. Do I need to do much more than that? Like, let's go back to default. Okay, so if I was to plug in my own plugin tone, would I start here? I don't know. Let's see if we can get that a little bit more juicy, huh? It's pretty good. I really enjoyed that. So did you see that rapid fire creation of a tone? That's because it's so easy to use, man. I love this. The gain is a little hairy. There's something really pulsy about this. All right, so I dig it. I think this is a new one. 60R, what am I? V2 heavies. So that's my tone. I think I wrote a song by accident. So if that doesn't tell you that I like the plugin. My colleague who told me about it, I was kind of in disbelief because I always thought it was going to be a bit too vintage amped, but this... just sounds sick, man. All right, yeah, do I need to say much more than that? I think that Rabea has been a mainstay on YouTube for a very long time. I remember watching him when he was on Rob Chapman's YouTube channel and in that project Tosca, and now he's in a band called Vower, and I actually really want to see those guys play live. I'd love to shake his hand because this guy made a plugin and a half, and I think he has every right to be very proud of what he's been able to accomplish with it. It sounds killer. I made this tone so fast I started to write a song. That doesn't tell you everything you need to know. Well, don't feel like you're being sold to. Again, they're not paying me, and they could. It's just exactly what it is, guys. It's really fun and an inspiring plugin. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. May you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are in the world, and go and do the trial. At least, you know, what's great about the plugins is that you can just trial them out. And whether you like this one or any other one, trials are really great. It'll help you to understand if it's really an amp for you. As I unhooked the cabinets and amps together and all that stuff, it was really good to experiment with this one. So you might find something in it, but it's up to you to see if it's actually worth your hard-earned money, okay? So all the best from The Hague in the Netherlands, and much love. Cheers.